Alright you guys, this week we are in Thailand testing out the all-new HERO13 Black. This is what's up. Let's get it! This is the first ever GoPro that shoots above 240 frame rates and is offering optics and perspective that has never before seen on an action camera. We're talking about that close-up depth of view to the bokeh effect that everyone loves to anamorphic lens flare. This is HERO13 Black and is the most expandable and customizable GoPro yet. It starts with the HB series of lenses with auto detection. The beauty of these lenses is not just in the stunning optics that it delivers, but with auto detect, they are automatically recognized by the camera. Think of it as a symbiotic relationship where hardware and software are working perfectly in harmony with HERO13 Black. I mean, just look at it. That's the setup. That is the setup. Camera on camera. Double macro lens. The series introduces 4 swappable lenses that is tailored to deliver stunning perspective that has not been previously offered by GoPro. The magic in the HB series of lenses is auto detect. HERO13 Black automatically recognizes when the lens is installed, optimizing its camera's modes and settings for each specific lens and shooting environment. And they are the first of its kind to work in harmony with Hypersmooth while being waterproof and durable. This also includes new Protune settings for each specific lens. So make sure you stay to the end to find out all that hidden feature. Alright, let's start with my favorite lens of all, the Macro Lens Mod. For the first time ever, GoPro is introducing a close focus wide-angle lens that lets you capture up to 4 times closer to the subject compared to the standard lens, creating that soft bokeh effect around your subject. And with the rotating lens ring, you can manually change the focus distance of the lens from a range of 4 inches, just about a shaka length away, to 2 feet. That means you will be able to focus on your object both near and far, all with that same very lens. How cool is that? And to help guide you, the new focus peaking feature will be displayed on the LCD screens, both front and back, to provide confirmation that the intended subject is completely in focus. And to make it easy to spot, focus peaking will be color-coded in red, blue or yellow. Tell me, how much better does it get? Huh? Now, let's talk about the Smart Motion Blur ND 4-pack filter from GoPro. When it comes to selecting an ND filter to the shooting environment, the complication has always been selecting the right filter for that shooting environment. However, with auto detection, HERO13 Black takes away all the guesswork. The camera recognizes whichever ND filter is attached and will recommend to you the best filter option to use. For example, an up or down arrow will be indicated on the LCD screen to tell you which filter to use. And with auto detection, HERO13 Black will automatically adjust its Protune setting to suit that filter option that you have installed based upon lighting condition. More than that, if you look under the camera's Protune setting with ND filter attached, you will discover 2 new Protune settings: Motion Blur and Auto Cinematic Video, that has been customized and fine-tuned to help you get that battery motion blur footage straight out the camera. With the introduction of the Anamorphic Lens Mod, you can now capture cinema-ready video with little distortion in a new dramatic 21:9 aspect ratio. HERO13 Black with Anamorphic Lens Mod automatically de-squeezes your footage in camera, allowing you to review your shot on the rear touchscreen display and removing the need for any cumbersome or complicated post-production work to achieve that ultra-wide cinematic result. And being an anamorphic lens, you can expect that classic anamorphic lens flare to add texture to your shot. I cannot wait to test out the anamorphic lens. Lastly, the Ultra Wide Lens Mod. Building upon its predecessor, Max Lens Mod 2.0, Ultra Wide Lens Mod transforms HERO13 Black into the most immersive POV camera yet. At 177-degree field of view, 4K 60 and unbreakable stabilization, Ultra Wide Lens Mod introduces a brand new aspect ratio at 1:1. That's right, you heard me right. A 1:1 aspect ratio, essentially a square. That means it does not matter whether your camera is mounted vertically or horizontally, your shot is going to be as tall as it is wide. Shoot now, think later, 1:1 aspect ratio has you covered. And that's not all. The story continues with the introduction of the 3-in-1 mounting ecosystem. The introduction of the magnetic latch mounts allows you to change between your setup easily. I mean, how satisfying are those clicks? At the same time, the finger mount and Q20 tripod screw at the bottom allows you to continue mounting your GoPro to its current ecosystem of accessories. How cool is that? And as we look into the hardware, HERO13 Black introduces a new 10% higher capacity battery at 1900 mAh, allowing you to get that extra juice in all weather condition. Speaking about weather condition, the introduction of Contacto, a magnetic waterproof door kit, allows you to get extended runtime in the roughest condition, both outdoors and indoors. This door, it's compatible back to the HERO9. I mean, huh? As we look to feature upgrade, HERO13 Black introduces Burst Slo-Mo that lets you capture up to 13 times slow motion. I'm going to leave the frame rates and resolutions on screen. At the same time, HLG HDR is introduced to HERO13 Black, allowing you to capture true HDR in 10-bit color. That is over 1 billion shades of color. GPS has now also been reintroduced in HERO13 Black so that you can get beautiful telemetry data. More than that, the new user interface is now more intuitive, as you see on the new extended QuikCapture. Let's not also forget, HERO13 Black carries over all that goodness of its predecessor, such as night effects, time warp, and power tools. There is just so much to unpack in the all-new HERO13 Black. But that's it for now on the Swiss Army knives of action camera. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the all-new HERO13 Black? And I'll definitely do a follow-up video. Until then, stay rad. I'll see you guys next upload. Yoo!